Welcome to Jeru Kids TV. Aha!
Let us go to the colorful farm today. So many cute animals are waiting for us. Listen carefully to their happy sounds.
Cow says moo, 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 moo. Dog says bow, wow. Bow, wow, wow. Bow, wow.
Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cat says meow, meow, wow. Meow, meow, wow. Duck says quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Sheep says ba-ba. Ba-ba-ah, ba-ba-ah. Horse says neigh, neigh.
Pig says oink, oink, cock. Oink, oink, cock. Oink, oink, cock. Hen says cluck, cluck, cluck. Goat says mama. Mama, mama. Goat. Thank you for watching.